Good morning, students. Our today's topic is temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. It is measured by an instrument called thermometer. Two units or scales which is generally used to measure temperature are degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. A given temperature can have different values in different scales. For example, freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the normal body temperature of a human being is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Next topic is conversion. First we will understand how to convert a given temperature in degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. To convert a given temperature in degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, we follow the following steps. First step, we multiply the given temperature by 9. Second step, we divide the product by 5. And last step, we add 32 to the obtained quotient. Let's understand it with an example. Express 110 degrees Celsius in the Fahrenheit scale. So to solve this problem, we will follow the 3 steps. The first step, we will multiply 110 by 9. We get 990. Second step, we will divide this product 990 by 5. We get 198. And the last step, we will add 32 to the obtained quotient, that is 198. So after adding 198 plus 32, we get 230. So 110 degrees Celsius is equal to 230 degree Fahrenheit.